coincidence may in fact be something altogether different. And psychologist Mackey should know. He's written a whole book on the subject.
Synchronicity is about personally meaningful coincidences. So it's when something happens and it seems too uncanny to be just a coincidence. When I first read about synchronicity, I came across the idea as a real skeptic. When I got to the section on synchronicity, I experienced an explosion of synchronicity.
Really?
And often around the number 6, repeated number 6. So I think that synchronicity can nudge us towards our destiny. So the most positive and most negative experiences in my life happened on the 6th of June, actually at 6 o'clock.
Really?
One involved becoming engaged to my wife, and the second was actually being admitted to a psychiatric hospital. But some of the best learning I've had from my life came from that time, and I knew from my recovery, or felt from my recovery, I would never get depressed again.
And you talk about your own battles with mental health in the book Synchronicity, don't you?
When you tap into the darker side of your experience and you find a way of coming through that, you don't only learn a whole lot about yourself, but you become, I think, stronger in your sense of what you can deal with. And so you appreciate your life very fully.
Yes.
And you don't take things for granted. Some things seem like they're meant to be. I believe it can nudge us towards our destiny. Be open to synchronicity as a sacred moment. Notice what you notice about the experience and use your intuition to interpret what it might mean for you. I believe that synchronicity helps tap into a spiritual dimension in life. It gives us meaning.